Alright, we're back with 5.56 this time. We tried the 22 long rifle yesterday. Now we're bumping it up to 5.56. We got our 5-round capacity magazine. We're gonna let her rip. We got the safety off. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Alright, we're having some issues with this trigger not coming back. We got some extra play. Alright, we're nice and snug, but I don't know how long that's going to last. Let's see if we can just let her rip here. Let's go for the far guy. Nice. Alright, suppressive fire. At 400 yards. Definitely have some working to do and make this stay tighter longer. It's a little fugly at the moment, but this is just version 1. So make sure you stick around, subscribe so you can see updated versions, and hopefully we can get these files released. Next step, FRT, and we'll see what breaks. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a great night.